How to hide friends on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide friends on Snapchat. So if you don't want someone to appear on your chat list and want more privacy, this video is for you. And also with that, Snapchat does not have a direct hide friend button. But don't worry, there is a method through which you can hide someone on your main view. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply swipe right to go to the chat screen. And now here, once you're inside the chat screen, what you can do is simply tap and hold on the friend's name that you want to hide. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and tap on chat and notification settings. And now here, once you're inside the chat and notification settings, what you can do is just tap on this option that says clear from chat feed. And once you tap on it, this will remove the conversation from your main chat list. But don't worry, this does not unfriend or block them. They only appear again if they send you a new message. And here, with that, if you don't want notification from them also, then what you can do is just go again to the chat and notification settings in this section, and there you can simply scroll down and tap on notification settings, and there you can simply toggle on this both option that says mute chats and mute calls. And with that, you won't receive any alerts from them as well. And that's it. So Snapchat does not allow fully hiding your friends, but you can clear conversation, you can mute notification, and you can adjust your privacy settings as well. I hope this clear things up for you. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.